Expert storytelling layouts are built on smooth flow and precise framing decisions. Today, how to explore premium storytelling. Open Canva and start with a vertical 1080 by 1350 canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally or vertically to guide the viewer naturally. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully to maintain sequence. Select the background and apply a soft gradient that supports the story. Add thin connecting lines or arrows with reduced opacity to guide attention. Duplicate one frame and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle depth. Use position tools to align everything while maintaining flow. Add minimal